Yeah. Okay, question 2 is which metaphorical expression does Sal use to describe the girls he sees along the way? What ideas are conveyed through this comparison?
The metaphorical expression is strange young girls, dark as the moon, stand from mysterious verdant doorways. So the metaphorical is that he compares them to the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he says they are like dark as the moon, and the moon is like a very mysterious object.
Yes.
And he also says they're strange, so that makes sense. Yeah.
And the moon I also consider to be very beautiful.
Yeah.
So I think he's also saying that they're very beautiful.
Yeah. And also maybe very silence,
Yes,
because
definitely.
the moon doesn't talk.
No, it doesn't. But
And-
it's just
Yeah.
sitting up there and stares down at you.
And they can't really reach these young girls, because they are like out of their reach. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, um, and they are detached from their world. Yeah, and again, it's very mysterious, and the moon also seems like very pure, because nobody's really been on the moon. Okay, there's been people on the moon, but it's like very untouched, like these strange young girls, maybe, who's protected by their parents.
They are also radiance. You say that they also have radiance.
Yeah,
Yeah, they have some kind of shine and glow and moon glow.
moonly glow.